Election interference trumps tariff threats loom over Canada. The political landscape in North America is heating up, and all eyes are on the unfolding drama. The world watches as a political drama unfolds in North America. The stakes are high, and the tension is palpable. President Trump has thrown a wrench into the Canadian election. His unexpected move has left many in shock. He's threatened tariffs, casting a shadow over the campaign. The implications of these threats are far-reaching. The message is clear. Trade deals hinge on who wins. The future of North American trade is at a crossroads. This isn't just economic policy, it's election interference. Trump's words carry weight and his actions have consequences. He's known for his aggressive trade tactics. Canadians are worried. The uncertainty is causing widespread concern. Their livelihoods are at stake. The potential impact on everyday Canadians cannot be overstated. The future of their relationship with the U.S. is uncertain. The tension is palpable. Diplomatic ties are being tested. Will Trump follow through on his threats? How will Canada respond? These questions loom large over the election. The answers depend on the election. The outcome will shape the future of both nations. The stakes couldn't be higher. The world waits to see what will happen next. The tariff tussle. A blow-by-blow account. The trade war between the US and Canada isn't new. It's been simmering for years. Decades of negotiations, agreements, and disputes have shaped the economic landscape between these two neighboring giants. From lumber to dairy, the battlegrounds have been varied and numerous. But Trump's latest move has turned up the heat. His administration's aggressive stance on trade has introduced a new level of tension, one that has both nations on edge. He slapped a 25% tariff on most Canadian goods. This sweeping measure affects a wide range of products, from steel and aluminum to consumer goods. Even energy imports face a 10% hit. This move is particularly significant given the interdependence of the North American energy market. These tariffs are no small potatoes. They're designed to protect American industries. The administration argues that these measures are necessary to level the playing field and bring jobs back to American soil. But they come at a cost. Canadian businesses are struggling. Many are finding it difficult to absorb the increased costs, leading to layoffs and closures. Jobs are on the line, and American consumers are paying more for goods. The ripple effects of these tariffs are being felt in every corner of the economy. The situation is complex. There are no easy answers. Trade analysts are poring over data, trying to predict the long-term impacts and potential outcomes of this escalating conflict. But one thing is clear: both sides are feeling the pain. Political leaders are under pressure from their constituents, and public protests are becoming more frequent. The question is, how much pain are they willing to endure? As the trade war drags on, the stakes continue to rise, and the path to resolution remains uncertain. Canada bites back retaliation and new horizons. Canada isn't taking this lying down. In response to recent trade disputes, they've retaliated with tariffs of their own, targeting key American industries. As a result, American goods are now more expensive in Canada. This tit-for-tat battle has led to increased prices for consumers, with no clear winner in sight. But Canada isn't just focusing on the US. They're looking beyond their southern neighbor, forging new trade partnerships with countries around the world. By diversifying their economy, Canada is showing the world that they won't be bullied. They're investing in various sectors like technology, agriculture, and manufacturing to strengthen their economic resilience. This is a defining moment for Canada. Citizens are rallying, and the government is taking decisive action to protect their interests and sovereignty. Through their resilience and determination, Canada is sending a powerful message to the world. They won't be pushed around. They're standing tall and proud, ready to face new horizons. Section 4. Election Crossroads, a trade deal in the balance? The Canadian election is just days away. The outcome is uncertain. But one thing is for sure, it will have major implications for trade relations with the US. A new government could bring a softer approach. They might be willing to negotiate with Trump, or they could double down on retaliation. The future hangs in the balance. The world is watching. Will Canada choose conciliation or confrontation? The answer could reshape the global trade landscape. Section 5. Global aftershocks. The world watches and waits. The trade war between the US and Canada is sending shockwaves around the world. It's a reminder that globalization is fragile, and it's a sign of things to come. The rules-based order is under threat. Protectionism is on the rise. The future is uncertain. The world is watching, holding its breath. Will this be the start of a trade war free-for-all, or can cooler heads prevail? The stakes are high, and the answers are far from clear.